RedFlag by PocketStop has now been directly integrated with Microsoft Teams and allows messages to be sent within seconds using one of the most popular business communication platforms in the world. In addition to text, email, and voice calls, sending mass alerts through Teams allows you to disrupt a recipient with a desktop notification or a push app notification via the Microsoft Teams app. So let's now take a look at how easy it is to use Teams inside the RedFlag platform. Once Teams has been set up, you will see it show up now underneath one of your channels. So when you're selecting which channels to use before every message, you can include or choose to include Teams or not, depending on the particular type of message. Once you've selected, you'll have the same range of functionality as you would have with any other channel, including links, attachments, conference bridges, and two-way communications such as acknowledgement and polling. So all we have to do to include Microsoft Teams in our message is to make sure that the icon is selected, and then we can just send our message as normal. So let's do a little test message here to see what it may visually look like if you were to use Teams. Over here, and let's do acknowledgement as well so that we can see how that works. But over here to the right, you will be able to see the breakdown of it per channel. So you see the Teams is added, that this individual, one person receiving this message, would get it via email, via text, and via Teams. But let's go ahead and remove the email, so we'll get it via text and via Teams. And we can just click send, and of course out the message will go. And as you are familiar with RedFlag, you will know that the message will come very quickly. You can see down here in the icon tray that it has opened up a notification that I do have a message, and I can of course click in here in my chat, and it will show me that the RedFlag message is in there. So let's go ahead and go over to that. And I see here the test Teams message is in, and it's asked me for acknowledgement, which I can do. And now I have acknowledged that message for the reports. And success. And in addition to desktop notifications, you can also receive mobile app push notifications through Microsoft Teams. And there's a good chance that your employees that use Teams regularly already have this app downloaded onto their phone and have it turned on for notifications. This avoids the burden for your employees to have to go through the process of finding a third-party app, downloading it, turning on notifications. They already have this done. And of course, for employees traveling globally, you can send any international messages easier via Wi-Fi or network and don't have to rely on roaming or spotty networks as they travel. Once enabled, there is almost no setup to start sending messages instantly. If the user's corporate email stored in RedFlag matches Teams, RedFlag instantly adds the Teams ID to message the user, so you don't have to do any data sourcing. If you want to learn more or see a custom demo, visit us at pocketstop.com/demo or call or text us at 877-840-2444.